hear strange noises on the roof at night, little sneaky footsteps in the pale moonlight. No ghosts, don't be afraid, the Mumzels are awake and very close by. Mumzels, they jump across rooftops in the night. Mumzels, silent and swift, out of sight. They're fluffy, they're fast, with eyes shining bright. They steal snacks and toys, a playful delight. With antennae raised and eyes so keen, they sneak down chimneys, swift and unseen. They hide in socks, build cozy nests, and dance till morning without any rest. Mumzels, heroes of the attic world. Mumzels, mischief and magic unfurled. You'll never see them, they vanish so quick, but they leave behind crumbs and a playful trick. So if you hear a bump or a crack at night, it's just a on a snack mission.